Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today, instead of a gaming video, I'm gonna start a series or playlist called the tutorial videos, and I'm gonna be showing you how to make a main screen in Roblox Studio. And let's just spawn something like a plane. And we can spawn working plane type. And here we have a private jet or something. But okay, it's just go to starter GUI right there and press the plus. And then when you press the plus, just go to screen GUI, and then press frame if you need a frame. Then just make it until you can do it perfectly with the. If you want a full screen, just okay. You can just. If you open properties, it's in view right there, and if you see it, just open it and you can customize it like with the color or size or even pixels and stuff. But we're just gonna show you how to make it like that. But let's do our frame and let's do some color. I'm gonna choose red and then add text like a label. I'm just gonna call it, I don't know, but I'm just gonna call it plain. I'm such an ADHD, sorry. There we go. And then we're gonna make it bigger. Change the color. You can change it to blue, any color you want, but I'm just gonna call it blue. And then we're gonna make the button.
One extremely annoying shift later.
And then we're gonna we have to do the script, but I'll show you what you need to type in order to do it. So just delete the hello world and then write script dot parent dot mouse button click colon connect and function, and make sure you remove this thing and do this. There we go. Now press enter and you should be able to view something like this. And you need to write script again and then dot parent, oops, I'm an idiot, parent dot parent is two parents dot visible equals false. And there we go. That's our script that we need to do for our play button, and let's see if it works. Yeah, I tried this many times, but I eventually did it. And we did it! And now we're gonna make an exit button. So let's do an exit button. Wait, actually, never mind. It's just a play button for this video. But I really hope you enjoyed, and let's see if it still works. I mean, it was kind of easy. This is an easy tutorial. And, yeah, we can just press play, and it works. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope this video helped you a lot. And don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy. Let's just try flying my plane. I can't get it. Hold on. There we go. Now let's just fly. Alright, it's our Embraer. But let's just stop our plane because we need to stop our video. We don't want it to be that long. And I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Or tutorial video. Or even gaming, I don't know.